Okay. Good evening. Eh. Assalamualaikum and good evening to Puan Hafiza. So today we will presenting about our mini project for web development. So our team is myself, Muhammad Rafi bin Hassan, and my teammate is Muhammad Fawaz and Muhammad Sufian. So firstly, let's look at the database. So the database is garden entrance, which is has two table, which is company and product. So first we look at company table. So this table is used for login. So as you can see, we have com ID, com name, and com email. So the second one is for ordering product. Okay, as you can see, there's 30 product, 30 data. Okay, after that, let's look at our index page. So for the index page, we have this is our first page, which is login page. This is our style. Uh, okay, in this page, we have one form, which is to log in to authenticate the user. In the form, we have com ID, com name, and com email. The three of these is required. After that, if we click submit, we'll go to auth.jsp to authenticate. So in this page, we will connect to database, and then traverse data in the table company for the ID, the name, and the email. If it's correct, it will go to form page to JSP. If it's not, it will pop up an alert and redirect to index.jsp. Now let me demonstrate. First, go to files, go to index and run file. Okay, this is our main page, index.jsp, our login. So if we put our company ID, company name, and email. If email we didn't have add, which is the required for an email, it will pop up an alert. As you can see, this is our validation. Okay, if we put the correct one, it will redirect to eh, okay. It will redirect to form page DSP. Sorry, like okay. If we put anything incorrect, which is such as this A4, which is didn't have in database, so it will alert to enter valid company ID, name, and email. If we click OK, we redirect to index.jsp to input the correct one. Okay, after this, I will pass to Sufyan. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad Rafiq, for the explanation. And now I will explain to you about the order page. So this is the HTML code for the order page, the title, and this is the styles. And then this is the headline for header for the page title. Buat Cameron Valley Garden Order Form, and the form action is process.jsp and method post, and this is all the form for the insertion of product name and all the details. And lastly, there's a button for submit and for display the database. So let's take a look. So let's say um, page, let's insert page T product identity, let's put 30 750. Sweet. Okay, press submit. After we submit, we put on a display page T 750 ringgit, sweet and comforting. So thank you very much. I will pass it to Fawaz.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Sufyan. So I will explain to you about the display page. As you can see, when we first log in the company ID, Lipton, and then the data is inserted by Pian. Okay, thank you, Muhammad Sufyan. So I will explain to you about the display page. So these are the codes for display page. As you can see, these are the connector for the display connected to the database, and then the styling for the display page. Then here is the company ID. We're displaying company names and company email. So this is the tables. As you can see, we select product ID, product name, quantity, and price per retail. From product, where company ID is, so we prepare the company ID lah. So we get the company ID when we log in earlier. So this we displaying every row of existing data in the database with the company ID. Okay, I will explain to you about the output. So into when we log in with different company, so here is Lipton. As you can see, A001 ID, Lipton company name, and lipton.gmail.com. So Lipton has 16 data inside of their company. So when we are log out, so when we log in with another company, okay, this is seasons. So as you can see, A002 season at gmail.com. So season has only 5 data in their data that they order. So same goes to another page, another company, Nesty, Nesty at gmail.com. And so as you can see, different company has different data. So based on the where clause right here. So when user log in, the attribute is the so they will set the attribute of the company ID right here. Then we get the attribute, we take the attributes, then we use it in our clause right here, conditions. So that's why different company display different products. So that's all from our team. Thank you.